Where are we going, Judah?
A tractor show.
Tractor show. We're going to the Iowa Power Farming Show. What do you think about that?
Good.
You excited?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Grab a shotgun.
Look. We're going over there to Hy-Vee Hall.
And sit down, and so many cars on the bridge.
Oh, look at this, Judah. Wow. What do you think?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Tractor show. Whoa.
You want to go see him?
I'm gonna go where and see him, and I'm gonna go see him and ride him.
Yeah, maybe we can sit on a tractor.
Yeah, and ride him. It's so pretty. This is a big second.
Here, let Mom carry that. Hey, come here, Judah.
Oh. Let's go in the tractor. Ooh. Let's go in that one.
We have to go around the other side.
Oh, okay. Let's go this way.
Here.
Let's do that one.
Okay, we can go up there. Yeah, the door's open.
Come on, Daddy. Let's go.
Okay, hang on.
I'm driving.
Oh, this is cool, huh?
Yeah, I'm driving.
You driving? Yeah, man. What do you think about that? Look, there's Mommy down there. This is pretty cool, huh? Look back here. That's where all the grain goes.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
You're the driver, Daddy.
Ready? Let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna go in the truck.
Oh, get off the seat. Okay.
Okay. I'm ready to go up. Come on, Dad. Let's go.
Sit in the chair.
No, I want to sit in the little
Sit in the little chair.
and drive the. No, I want to drive. Oh, so many. Oh.
You're drooling all over.
Okay, hold on.
How about this, Judah? Get in there.
They don't have the door open. Okay, look.
Come on, Minnie.
Hang on tight. You don't have the best shoes.
Hey, Judah.
What? Okay. Okay, let's try.
What do you think?
Good.
Don't press the
Here's
buttons.
And
What's this, Judah? What's this?
a steering wheel.
Steering wheel. What are these? What are those?
Pushing these.
Are they pedals?
I want to go in that one. I want to go in that one.
Look how big those are.
Well, the front one right there is. He's really happy.
Look, that's the get all the glass dead.
What?
Look, that's to get all the glass dead.
Yeah, be careful.
Then this. Look at that.
You want to go sit in the skid steer?
I want to.
Put your feet down. Now sit in the seat. Now turn around, sit down. I'll get your picture. Hey, you're like Blippi. Remember Blippi drives a skid steer? Is that fun?
Judah, look at Mom.
Ooh, get in this one.
Oh, okay. This. Oh, I got some. Oops.
This is what my dad used.
Probably, especially with the blade.
I want to take this picture of it. I don't know why. Is that just
Why? How about this one right here, Judah?
Okay. This is being boy.
Sit on the seat. What do you think about that?
Judah, look at Mom. Judah.
Just get an action shot. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Okay.
Okay. Hang on.
Oh, oh, look at it.
You driving a tractor? Say vroom vroom.
Here's these.
What do those do?
I don't know.
Those levers?
Yeah, here's these. And here's these.
Judah, look at that tractor. It's like a monster truck.
Yeah, I want to go into monster truck. And I want to go.
It's a monster tractor.
Yeah. It's got big wheels. Huh? What's that?
Look, it's going in the water. Those are big tires. Look how big those tires are. Look.
Okay.
Want to go underneath?
This might go okay.
No, better not. Whoa. That's tall, isn't it?
Watch where you're walking, Judah. You can run into this stuff over.
Do you know what this is, Judah? It's a sprayer.
Yeah, I'm going to spray it.
Judah, look at the engine.
Yeah.
Look at that. You may sit in this one. Okay, look at mommy.
Cheese.
She's down there. Look at mommy.
Cheese. Here's buttons.
What did all those buttons do?
Here's the mirror.
Would you like to drive a combine sometime?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You ready to go down?
Yeah.
Hey there, Farmer Judah. What are you doing? Is that pretty cool?
Double.
Let's go.
Double. Let's go it, double. Let's go. I'm down one.
Okay. Okay, grab onto the handles. Whoop! Somebody beep the horn. Wow. You like this tractor, Judah?
Yeah.
It's a big tractor, isn't it?
Yeah, I gotta get Steve it, Woody. Hey, that's my steering wheel.
Oh, that's your steering wheel?
Yeah, I can get in.
Here.
Okay.
You gotta buckle up for safety. Yep. You can drive this tractor just fine. Check out that truck, Judah.
It's a monk.
It's a monster truck.
Does this little guy need to see what we have in the box?
What's in the box?
Have you seen what's in the box? If you slide that open, you can see what's in there. Oh, didn't bother you at all, did it?
I played too many jokes on him.
Don't let him bite you. Open it up. Don't let him bite you. Oh, that's cheating. Okay.
Have a good day. Why are we sitting down, Judah?
We're sitting down.
You resting? A lot of walking? So what are your thoughts about all these tractors? Huh?
I'm gonna go sit down here.
You like all the tractors? And the combines?
Yeah, look at the stars.
Are they big? Which one was your favorite?
A lot of tractors.
All of them?
Uh-huh.
That's cool.
Blues.
The blue one?
A blue one.
The New Holland?